How to send message with gentle effect on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. Then, go to the text bar and type in a message. After that, tap and hold the Send button below to send the message with effect. Select any effect from here. For example, gentle. You can now send this message with gentle effect. This way, you get more control over your experience with the Messages app. Following these steps, you can easily send message with gentle effect on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.